Alright, eyes up, rookie. We're flying into the real deal here.
This is awesome. I'm the jump master.
Did he really? Oh. You know what? Okay, we better just go after that tin can before he lands on a grenade again. You can figure it out. Just let gravity do all the work. Hey, you landed with all your bones intact. Look, I'm sure you'll make it to the Apex Games, or, you know, die in a hot ball of flame, but for now, let's just focus on some basics. Now let's crack open the supply bin and see what goodies are inside. Why don't you take a peek? Well, alright. Today's your lucky day. An R301, fast firing with low recoil. It's great for rookies. You know, take the gear and follow me down this way. Use the slope to slide down the road. Sprinting while crouching.
How about this way?
Trigger it.
Hey, how about this way?
Alright, don't let this rusty junk stop
How about
you.
this way?
Check me out. Face the obstacle, move
How about this
forward,
way?
and tap the jump button. Up and over. Easy peasy.
Hey, how about this way? Reloading.
Okay, don't get too excited. I mean, he barely moved. Tango, Echo, Fox, Nebraska Fox, we're under attack. I really need to work.
How about this way? Reloading.
That's Wraith, running away as usual. She's going indoors. As Bloodhound, you are great at sniffing out prey. Now get closer, use
Scanning
your
the
eye
area.
and All-Father skill, and see what will happen. One throw of an arc star, and... See? No door. Just stick to me like glue. Let's go. Box. Let's see what treasures she has. Ooh, a shield battery. Great for recharging your shield. Let's keep our shields and health up. I got a date after this.
My ultimate is ready. The hunt begins. Recharging my shields.
Looking good. All right, let's keep moving.
Hi, friends.
Whoa, whoa, heads up. Use your Eye of the All-Father to help us spot this bad guy. Haha, there they are. Sends out a decoy. She got bamboozled.
This is a match point. Let's win or die trying. Get ready. It's zipline time.
Don't forget your ultimate.
Contact.
Reloading.
Trust in the All-Father. Reloading.
Reloading.
Contact. Reloading.
You're not leaving me behind, friend. I have been downed.
Contact. Reloading.
Okay, enemy's cleared. Time to bring back our teammate. Right, now grab his banner, and let's get him back in the game at the respawn beacon. Hopefully he can get us out of here. Hey, how about this way?
Here I come, back from the sky.
Looks like our ride is here.
Who's ready to fly on a zipline? I am.
Follow me to victory. Another win for the books. I always knew I had it in me. The catch, rookie. How about you tell me your real name?